I love the sound of a supercharger. Now turbos are cool, don't get me wrong. Oh no. No! Stupid window. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to pop the hood.
2JZ engine, no shit.
We are going to be removing the centerpiece out of the ZL1's hood.
You have to listen really closely for this. All right, pop the hood.
Yeah, you probably can't hear it, but so apparently there's some sort of something in there
Right about here.
somewhere that just keeps rattling around, and every time we open the hood it
Shifts back.
moves, and that is annoying. So therefore we're going to take that centerpiece out and see if we can find what's in there that's moving around. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Come on. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you get yourself entered into the giveaway. I'm gonna put it right here. There it is. And I don't remember where I was going with that. Anyway.
Get your free money.
Get your free money. I'm handing out free money. I'm making it rain with nickels.
That's hail, bro.
So, oh, we have no light. Cool.
Good thing we have that, light stand.
That big light over there.
Yeah.
So, anyway, we're gonna get started on this. We're gonna take you guys with us. I don't know how much of that got caught, but when you install a catch can on a 6th gen ZL1, you have to take the supercharger, not off, but you have to lift it up. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but it worked. It looks good. It works.
It does work, actually.
Ish. Might need to pull it off. So this is a Mighty Mouse catch can that we put on here. The only problem that we had was the bolt that holds the catch can in the bracket. It was an aluminum bolt that was holding it in, and it stripped like immediately. I rounded it out like almost immediately. So anyway, we had to go to Lowe's. That was the whole hold up and everything, and I think that's why we didn't get a lot of our footage, because it took us so long to get that damn bolt out. We ran out of batteries, and we're not smart. We're dumb.
Smart.
Smart. Let's start pulling this bish off. You do your thing. I'm gonna record you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. I can almost guarantee you. Oh, there it was.
There it was. It just rattled.
It just fell. So
It's something on the driver's side for sure. All right, that's a tap.
I'm assuming this one needs to come out.
Probably this one over here too.
Yep. We've never done this before, obviously. We just are kind of taking a stab in the dark.
Yeah. Which is how we go about most of our lives with whatever.
That's how FNA Speed does things. We're really good at taking shit apart.
Yep. Since it's not all forgets and chiggles, it actually serves kind of a purpose. But
Well, this is kind of a purpose-built car, so
one would help, right?
I mean, namaste, you know?
I don't even know how to spell that word.
Keisha asked me if I wanted to come over to her house the other day, and I said, namaste my ass at the house.
Is that staring at my ass?
Yeah, it's staring at your ass. I bet you it's this one. Not that one.
No, it's bigger.
So when it spins freely in the hole, it means it needs a bigger bit?
Or you just f***ed up.
Ooh, this one looks promising. Ta-da!
So, what y'all have missed, we've just taken all
Ow.
of these
They didn't miss it. They
bolts
saw
out. And they were staring at my butt the whole time.
All right, well, we're gonna have to take, I mean, this thing is like glued basically all the way around.
Right.
It's not glued, it's like double-sided tape all the way around. So that doesn't really have anything to do with this.
No.
It just holds it. Well, there also could be bolts underneath here.
That's true. Well, to what though?
Don't ask me, it ain't my car. All right, so pull it down. Down. There we go.
Oh man.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's definitely bolted back there.
Oh, there's a bolt.
Hey, look, I found a bolt. I bet you there's another one right here.
There is.
Yep. There's got to be a bolt in there.
I don't feel a bolt.
There's a bolt in here.
There's not a bolt in here.
Yeah, that one's gone. You ain't got a bolt right there.
I wonder if they lost that when they were replacing the motor.
Yeah, he's already had a new motor put in this thing.
Can you reach around and grab?
Oh, I can reach around, baby.
And grab this while you unbolt it?
There we go. And she's off. Bruh. I say we just cut the rest of this out and leave it.
That's a lot of structural support I don't know if I'm ready to get rid of.
So we're gonna drive around like this, see what happens.
Yeah, we just gotta get all 37 bolts out of the engine bay before we go anywhere.
There we go. Man, that looks good. I like it. I think we should paint an American flag right here.
Right there.
Oh, look how thin that shit is. I mean, that's one finger. That's for dick.
Ooh, you know what I didn't think about?
No, I didn't know what you didn't think about. What about it?
It's a lot of play.
Bro, it ain't going nowhere. It's metal.
Till we get out there and it opens up like a flower.
Hey! I think we should put that on the track car. Just glue it to the hood.
Just duct tape it right on.
Alright, we about to take a ride. Give us a little rev-a-rooski real quick. Oh, no. God, this car sits so low.
Oh yeah, that makes it, dude, I can hear my supercharger so much better now. And I haven't even hit 3 grand.
I haven't even
I haven't even do things you tell me.
Oh no. Oh god. Oh, your phone ain't my car. Yes. Seatbelts. Seatbelts are important.
We go right?
Yes, we should go right. I mean, depending on how far you want to go. If you want to go left,
Nah.
just past the church. You know,
That's
Mexico
not
Church.
far enough.
Mexico Baptist Church.
Presbyterian Church of Mexico.
You can let me drive this thing. I haven't driven a stick in forever. Actually, I drove it around the neighborhood the other day.
Hey, we were watching.
I got into second gear, okay?
Well, I mean, like I've said before, this is the TR6060, so the gears are stupid long like they were in the Corvette. You can break every speed limit on a public road, not the highway, in first gear.
Actually, I didn't think about that, that
Mic.
clip not holding.
We're gonna see.
I mean, all it's gonna do is eat the mic.
Right, it might rip the GoPro down into.
No, it'll unplug it right here. I hope that mic's working.
Well, we're gonna find out.
We did some redneck ingenuity with this one, which is pretty typical.
I'm not saying I'm proud of it, but I'm not saying I'm ashamed of it either. Fire Marshal.
Oh, Fire Marshal Bill back there. It's definitely louder.
Oh yeah. See if we can get a 2-3 shift. Let's use window control.
Try to get that 2-3 shift. Here we go. Windows straight. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Left turn.
Look at that awesome bush right there just growing out of the ground.
Bro, they should do that more of this fucking street.
Yeah, they should cover this street in bushes. Welcome home. It's tied up here. Here we go. I said, Lee. Yeah. Okay, well, that was a cool, quick little drive. I hope we got some good footage.
I hope the mic sounded okay.
I hope the mic worked.
Not
period.
like a helicopter.
And we are back. Got her back on. Looks good. Works good. We hope. Anyways, well, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell so you get the little ding ding notifications.
Also, if you haven't done it yet, go to the giveaway video. He's going to link. It's going to be up in that corner. We'll probably do it again. Listen to it. It's like the what, first 2 minutes of the video? Explain it.
No, that's a few minutes. It's like 4 minutes in.
I'm not going to tell you where it's at. We're not going to tell you where it's at. Watch the video. Follow the directions. Get yourself some free money.
The details are in the description of the video. Like, it's really not that hard. We're like 500 away from being where we need to be. So, we are halfway there. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.